Hey there! Want to learn how to repack your purple mattress and ensure it's done efficiently? Sometimes the need arises to move or store your mattress, and knowing how to repack it properly can save you time and effort. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps of repacking your purple mattress, ensuring it's secure and ready for transportation or storage. Step 1. Gather your material. Before you begin, gather all necessary materials to make the repacking process seamless. You'll need the original packing materials if available, or substitutes such as a mattress compression bag, heavy-duty packing tape, a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment, and a sturdy box or storage bag designed for mattresses. Ensuring you have these items will make the process much smoother. Step 2. Clean and prepare the mattress. The first step in the actual process is to clean the mattress. Strip off all bedding and wash it separately. Vacuum the mattress surface to remove any dust, debris, or allergen. This will ensure that the mattress is clean before storage and will help maintain its quality, preventing any unpleasant odors or allergens from being trapped in storage. Step 3. Compress the mattress. Once the mattress is clean, it's time to compress it. Use a mattress compression bag that is designed to handle the size and thickness of a purple mattress. Slide the mattress into the bag, making sure it's evenly placed inside. Use a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment to suck out the air from the bag, compressing the mattress. This step is crucial as it reduces the size of the mattress, making it more manageable for packing. Step 4. Secure the compression. After the air has been removed and the mattress is compressed, tightly secure the seal on the compression bag. Use heavy-duty packing tape to reinforce the seal, ensuring no air can enter the bag. This will help keep the mattress compressed during the entire process of moving or storing. Step 5. Pack the mattress. With the mattress compressed and sealed, it's time to pack it. Slide the compressed mattress into either the original box, if you still have it, or a high-quality mattress storage bag. Ensure the box or bag is sturdy and can support the mattress's weight without tearing. If using a box, secure it further with additional packing tape to prevent any breakage. Step 6. Store or transport the mattress. Now that your purple mattress is packed, it's ready for storage or transport. When storing, choose a cool, dry place to prevent any moisture damage. If you're transporting it, ensure it's placed flat and does not bear any unnecessary weight during the move. It could damage the mattress structure. And there you have it. Knowing how to repack a purple mattress effectively involves just a few simple steps: gathering your materials, cleaning and compressing the mattress, securing it, and finally, packing it away. Properly repacking your mattress ensures that it maintains its quality and is ready to use once you've moved or brought it out of storage. Following these steps ensures that your mattress remains in great condition, whether you're hitting the road or just storing it for a bit. So get packing and handle your mattress with care.